So any area which is called traveling from that place, this woman, she's not allowed to travel to that area without a mahram. Is she allowed to stay there without a mahram? Yes, as long as she's within a area which is secured. So the mahram is only for the traveling. It's not for her to stay in the traveling place, because in the traveling place she could be with her mother and her, aunties and all of that. But in the traveling, she has to have a mahram. The mahram, as I said, he has to fulfill a number of conditions. Condition number one, he is a mahram. That means it's perpetually haram upon her to marry. Number two, he has to be a person who's sane. Because if he's insane, a person who's insane, he doesn't know what is going on. Because the whole thing is about to protect her. A person will not be taking advantage of her. So he has to be sane. If he's not sane, he cannot be a mahram. Third condition, he has to be an adult. An adult, like a child, he doesn't understand. An adult. So an adult has to be one of the conditions. As for Islam, it's not a condition. So he could be her father, who is not not a Muslim. He's a mahram to her. So he could take her, but he doesn't have to have a religion which is Islam. It doesn't have to be a Muslim, this mahram. So puberty, adulthood, and sanity, to be sane. And thirdly, that is to be perpetually a haram onto her. And of course, fourthly, has to be a man.